Hello everybody, I'm making this short video to tell you about my experience with MBBS Council. I came across this app while trying to get MBBS admission for my son who had cleared his NEET exams. We were looking for admissions in Kerala and neighboring states. As my son had scored around 490 marks, we were pretty sure of not being able to get admission into any government colleges, as we were also not eligible for being considered among any reservation category. Our only option was to get a seat in straight merit in any of the self-financing private colleges. This is exactly where MBBS Council came into the picture. I purchased a VIP subscription, which gave me the luxury of having a personal counselor to help me with the admission process. As soon as we got a VIP subscription, our personal counselor, Mr. Abdul Qadir Jilani, got in touch with us and collected all relevant information pertaining to my son's NEET results and ranking. He started providing us with links to various online meetings between parents and counselors, which was also a platform for clearing our doubts pertaining to the admission process. And we also got updates on the cutoff of the previous years of the colleges and also of the fee structure of different colleges to help us zero in on a college which would be within our budget. We were also provided timely updates by Mr. Abdul about opening of various counseling rounds in all India and state counseling of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana and Kerala. They also sent us copies of merit list and allotment list of the states. In short, we were lucky to get help from MBBS Council, and we were not concerned about missing out on any updates related to NEET admissions. We were lucky to get admission in a private college of our choice with the able guidance of MBBS Council. We are extremely thankful to the MBBS Council team and especially Mr. Abdul for his dedicated direction. I wish MBBS Council all the best in the future endeavors. May God bless them and help them be a guiding star to many more NEET aspirants. Thank you all.